Forget about everything that you ever seen before. I'm about to show you something that you never seen it before in your life. I'm telling you, like, this is not something you ever seen it. I can't believe how people live their life. Like, you're gonna say how this happened. Alright, customer came in for this phone. He said he cannot hear loud enough, right? And he want to fix it. So this is the phone. It's the iPhone 13. Okay, which is, this case is not for this phone anyway, but check this out now. It's already fallen apart, but look, like, what is this? Like, literally, what is this? You coming into the store and you live in, I don't know if it's a dog hair or what it is, but like, you don't even check your phone or nothing. Look, how gross is this? How gross is this? Of course you won't hear anything on the phone. Look at that. How are you gonna hear something with this phone? And you're gonna leave your phone in this condition with this case and everything? It's unbelievable. I'm gonna deep clean this and we're gonna replace the screen protector, I think. It's also gross. And we'll try to make it as new as possible. We're gonna clean first all this DNA on the phone. It's the human and the dog DNA is all together. Like, you never check your phone or your case, see what's underneath. It's unbelievable. See, speaker, it's all failed. I don't even know what is this. See all that? Even this charging port. There's still hair inside the charging port. How? How? Look, this is like rock. It's not even coming out. That's why you cannot hear anything because of this. Look, see? See the white thing underneath? That's how it's supposed to be. You have to see that. You can see the color of the screws. Get that? Already so much difference. It's not that hard. And still dirt coming out. There is more stuff inside the charging port. Let's clean the sides. Let's remove this screen protector. See what's underneath. Ew. Look at this. Look at that. This screen is broken too, right there. See right here, right there, it's a crack. It's supposed to be like this, a little crack on there. We have so much dirt around the camera. Time to clean this gross case. Anybody knows what's this? Leave it in comment. Somebody needs to explain how the hair got inside this case. How? So gross. Get that dirt. I asked him to get a new case. He said he has some extra in the house. He doesn't want to buy it. Stop the cap, man. Stop the cap. We all know you don't have it in the house. Just making it up. The moment you all have been waiting. Your phone is ready, sir. I put the new screen protector for you. Look at the back. Look at this. How clean is this now? Can I get a wow? Looking like new again. Of course, you wanna see the cases too, right? And look at this. No more dog hair. This is the best it can be. Let's see how it looks. Looking good.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step